So as promised, the disappointing side of the Red Stripe Premier League final. After all the drama and the spectacle of the game came the embarrassing uncertainty and hopscotching with the presentation ceremony. The final whistle went approximately 10:25 p.m. And as is customary, some of the Arnett Gardens fans spilled onto the field to celebrate the victory, all looking forward to a quick presentation of the trophy so that the players can run a lap of honor and celebrate with the fans, etc. But instead, 10, 15, 20 minutes, half an hour passed with very little or any information being disseminated. We're talking about now 11 o'clock at night. The fans still waiting for Arnett to get them trophy. Still nothing happening. Then we hear the announcer start inviting the Portmore team and some other individual award winners to stand outside the Royal Box. That go on for about another 15 to 20 minutes. By this time, almost all the media houses, including the live television crew, are pulled down to leave the venue. The fans start drift and drift and drift till 20,000 plus got frustrated and shrink to about 500. And then at about 11:25 p.m., a full hour by my clock after the final whistle, Arnett's captain Bigger Thompson and the team finally got the trophy in hand to the now deafening sounds of an empty stadium. The people them squeeze and drain out every ounce of excitement and spectacle out of the occasion. I don't know who the guilty parties are, but it was the worst part of what was otherwise a glorious climax to the Red Stripe Premier League season. This was inexplicable incompetence and embarrassment. Uno get, uno act together because the Maverick is on the ground.